What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 410 Life and Travel. In this episode, we're putting some fog lights in. That's right, we're going to replace these OEM stock fog lights with some Baja Design S2s. I wanted to keep the same stockish look but still get a better light output. That's what we're going to do. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Okay, here's how the front end currently looks. And real quick, if you happen to be new here and you're enjoying this, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, helps the channel out. And if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. See, it's very, very boring looking, but also the light output is terrible in these things. You can barely see 10, 15 feet in front of you. So we're upgrading them. Let's switch over to the GoPro and start with the instructions. Okay. So it might be hard to see here, but I apologize for that in advance. All right, 10 millimeter bolts here, here, and nope, not 10 millimeter there. That's a star bit, or it's a Torx bolt. Okay. Well, we got those also. We got to get those out. Okay, 10 millimeter down here. As you can see, this is broken. It's because of a deer. And a month after I had it, I hit a deer, and they gave me a new part, but I knew I was going to do this, so I didn't put the new part on yet. All right. Not sure if you can see that well or not, but we got a couple clips here for each light connector. Got to unclip these, and then see, you already got the two screws because they connect to the cover out. We got to use Torx to get that out and Torx to get that one out. And this whole thing will come out after we unhook the wires. There we go. Okay, that's one. Okay. All right, got both connections out. Now time to Torx these out. Okay, just so everybody knows, these are T30s. Just untwisting it now. Okay, here's the last one. And this should just pop right out. Yeah. There we go. All right. Okay, so before we get into it, here's my set of S2s. Got a set of clear wide cornering and a set of amber wide cornering. And I believe inside of here, yep, is the brackets for those two that go into the stock housing. And then the adapters. So there you go, you can see the adapters here. Okay, so we gotta mount each bracket to the light first. And they give you a kit for the bolts and the whole deal. So get these opened down here. Okay, this obviously goes to the back. I'm gonna do this first, just to put that on there to hold it. And then, see, it faces forward. You got to put this with the curve facing up. Got the little bolts and the lock nut on there. Finger tighten that and finger tighten that. And this is an Allen key, so we got to get an Allen key out. It's 5:30 seconds. So what this is, I don't remember. Yep, 5:30 seconds. Alright, it's pretty tight enough. You don't want it to be too tight. You want to be able to move it a little bit in there, but you want it pretty much to be even. So, alright. Now, next step. Get the rest of these done. I'm going to skip over that and get right back to you to when we're going to start taking apart the old lights and then installing these. Be right back. Okay, so here we are with the unit here. We gotta take 2, 4, 6 of these mini torque bolt deals off and put the new brackets in there and replace those. You know what? Let's be smart. Let's switch over to a power drill. Be right back. Power is always better, right? Okay. And there we go. Old school rigids out. Time for the new S2s. This is what it's gonna look like without the lights in it. Okay, so this is how they're gonna look on there. We gotta put the screws with these little washers in there. Okay, let's start with the left side here, your right side. Put that over. All right, there you go. It's not going anywhere. Both brackets are now. Time to install the lights. Let me flip this around for you so you can see. This is going to be the inside light. This is going to be the outside light, which is the skinnier part. I'm going to do amber on the inside, clear on the outside, just because the outside lights run with my high beams on, and I use those more than I'll be using the amber in either a fog or rainy situation. Okay, first the clear one on the outside is going to be right here. I'll just feed this wire through and hook. Make sure all this is lined up. Now we're gonna have to get something to hold that down so we can tighten that up. But there's what it will look like from the outside. Okay, just so you know, it's a 9/16 bolt head. So we're gonna put that in there to hold it. All right. It's not going anywhere. It's nice and tight. It's in the center, as you can see. Now time to put the amber one in. Get the bolt put in. Looks pretty good to me. It's nice and even. They match up pretty well. Now we gotta do the same for the other side. Let's get this reinstalled. All right, guys, I apologize. The GoPro died, so the rest is gonna be from the iPhone here. Before you go to put up the lights, you need to hook your adapters to the light. So, 1, 2, and then this piece, factory harness. Okay, so I'm just holding it right now in place, but I got it back in the pocket. I'm gonna put the 2 Torx at the top to hold it in and get the rest of the stuff back in place. Okay, and there's the new cover. Lights installed, all hooked up. And now, just do exactly what you did, driver's side. And there we have it, completely finished, both sides. I know this is controversial, having the amber on the inside. A lot of people told me, nah, don't do the amber on the inside, but I like it. I'm not gonna use the amber that much, only when it's foggy and rainy, snowy. There's not scratches, those are all bugs. Terrible time of the year here in Maryland already. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. Like I said, I like the stock look, but still upgraded with all the lights. Pan out here a little bit. There you go, you can see you got the light bar up here, and then the new lights on either side. 10-inch S8, got the S2s, and then you can see it sneaking a little bit up there. Got the S2s on the A pillars. Appreciate you guys watching. Guys, thanks for watching. Please leave me a comment down below. Ask me any questions you want about the process. I'll answer every question. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel. And there'll be many more episodes to come. Appreciate your guys' support. See you in the next episode.